gonna get in this?
Oh, I wasn't planning on it.
Oh. Aiden's over there, and he's like not getting on camera. Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to Whiskey Barbecue. All right, so we're gonna make a blueberry glazed or blueberry barbecue sauce glazed whole chicken. It's gonna be done on the gas grill. First thing we're gonna do is make a sauce. This sauce is a whole lot of blueberries, a whole lot of sugar, and a whole lot of vinegar. So, food processor. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take 3 cups of whole blueberries. This happens to be about 3 cups. So, blueberries in. Next, 2 cups granulated sugar. And 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. So this is unfiltered vinegar. If anything like lumpy pours in, it's unfiltered vinegar. It's fine. Alright, we're going to put the lid on. You're just going to run this until it gets smooth. So, Aiden, do whatever it is you do. Once you got everything mixed up, take a saucepan. Leave that on for a second. Break it loose. Lift it up. Take your lid off. This is going to be purple. Good enough. Now, remember, 3 cups blueberries, 2 cups apple cider vinegar, 2 cups sugar, buzz it up in the food processor. To that, you're going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves. Do yourself a favor, don't put those in there before you put it in the food processor. No bueno. Put it on medium-high heat. You're going to simmer it for about 15 minutes, letting it reduce down. Whenever we come back, we're going to start prepping the chicken. And Aiden's going to giggle at a funny word. See you in a little bit. Hi, we're back. So, we got new lights. Funny story about the lights. Maybe we'll tell that later. So the blueberry compote, basically, blueberry glaze, still sitting on the burner. Once it starts to simmer, so nice little bubbles will start going, that's when you start working on your chicken. So, chickens, 2 whole fryer chickens between 3 and 4 pounds is kind of what you're looking for. To put these onto the grill, and Aiden's gonna giggle, we're gonna do a technique called spatchcocking the chicken. See? So, 2 whole fryer chickens. To spatchcock, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the chicken, and you're gonna put it spine side up. Sharp scissors, and you're going to cut out the spine. You can do this with a knife, it's just better to do with a good pair of kitchen shears. Turn it. Take the spine out. Pretty easy. Make sure there's no innards or anything left inside of it. Then you're going to flip it over. Right here is where the wishbone is, in between the 2 breasts. You're going to pull that apart and push it down to where it's nice and flat. Pretty easy. Once you get the chicken laid open, get some paper towels, you're going to pat it dry. Having the skin on chicken nice and dry is one of the main things that helps with getting crispy skin whenever you cook it. Next, oil. Just a little bit on the skin. It's going to act as a binder. So a lot of times you'll see me use Worcestershire sauce, things like that, or Woo sauce, or however you say it. We use that whenever we're smoking because smoke can get through that because it's water-based. Smoke doesn't get through stuff that's oil-based, like oil. Just a little bit of tanning oil. I use avocado oil. Extra virgin olive oil is going to burn because we're going to, so the grill, sorry, hopefully Aiden puts this at the beginning. The grill is set up with all the burners on and they're turned to about medium heat. So right now the grill's sitting at about 450. So take the chicken, a little bit of suntan lotion. I use avocado oil because extra virgin olive oil can burn really easily. It's a very low burn point. Olive oil, it's not a lot higher. Vegetable oil, canola oil, peanut oil, avocado oil, they all have pretty high burn points. All right. Salt, pepper, garlic life. 3 parts pepper, 2 parts salt, 1 part granulated garlic. Just got it into a shaker because I use it a lot and I'm lazy. Nice light coat. All right. We've got both the chickens prepped. They're going to go onto the grill on... That just bubbling right away. It's going to go on the grill about 375 with the bone side down, skin side up. It's going to roast for about 15 minutes. Put them on the grill, 375, 400. Let them simmer, or let them cook for about 15 minutes. Whenever we come back, sauce is gonna be ready to go. We're gonna do a little thing with that. We're gonna start really cranking on this cook. See y'all back in a little bit. All right, welcome back. So sauce has been simmering for about 15 minutes. Chicken's been on for about 10 minutes. We're gonna play with a blender. Not just for margaritas. Panhandle is hot. So what you're looking for Aiden loves red, ask him. So what we're looking for with the sauce is it to get a little thick, and whenever you dip the spoon inside of it, it kind of sticks to it and coats it. So now to the blender. Remember, we have cinnamon sticks and bay leaves in here. So, pro trick, put your spoon over it and pour it through. Towel on top. And blend. Push down hard. All right, once you're done messing up your hand and doing the blender, put everything back in the pot, let it continue to simmer. So, a couple things we're gonna do now. Take the chickens and we're gonna flip them over to skin side down. If all the burners on low heat, the sauce, because we're going to be basting chicken that's not, fully cooked, we're going to pull out a couple ladles full of the sauce and use that to brush on. The rest of the sauce just leave in the pot because we're going to use the other half, or the other reserve part, for the final glaze. Remember, don't cross-contaminate. All right, now we glaze. We're going to keep doing this about every 5 minutes. You're going to rotate them. We'll be back. All right. Chicken's been on for about 35 or 40 minutes right now. Check internal temperatures. This looks wild. We're at 165 internal. So you wanted to have 165 at the breast. Don't touch the bone. Kind of see what it is there. If you only knew how this smells. It smells really good. So, again, we're working out of the pot now. Fresh baster. Remember, this is my daughter's that I didn't melt on accident. Just paint it to where it looks nice and pretty. Wonder how well done this is. Pretty good. Whoa. No. That's really good. With your sauce, put like put half a lemon in there. It needs, the vinegar comes through, it's there, but it needs a little bit of bright acid. Maybe just like the last base, squeeze a little bit of lemon onto it. I'm gonna go stuff my face now because that's real good. All right. Whiskey, whatever. Until next time, burn and learn, y'all. Cheers.